Hello guys, welcome back to another Walk with Ma. We're at an outlet mall in Richmond, and we have some unique things. Keep an eye and ear open for airplanes, because they fly right over us in this outlet mall. So we're just going to take a look around the outlet mall. Come join us. Shall you? Hold on, that's Adam the Woo. Okay, that's not us. Okay. Don't forget, at any time you can hit pause and look around, so give that a try. See how cool that was? So Ma, do you like this place?
Yeah, I do. Rockland. Is that right?
That's Polo. All the high-end names are here, so. What's that? It's both. Is that Ralph Lauren? No, it's Polo. No, it's Ralph Lauren. It's Polo Ralph Lauren. Club Monaco.
Yeah.
Coach. Colhan. Tommy. Lowe's.
Now we gotta find Ben.
I think it's down this way. I lost my ball. Boss!
Maybe we'll grab a snack on the way out.
A snack? Levi's. Banana Republic. Swazowski. Look, there's a player here. Gap. Under Armour.
There it is.
The Sunglasses Hut. Very popular today.
Every day.
Nike. There's the Nettu wonton noodle. A&W. You said you wanted something to snack
I
on.
do want a snack in a little while.
All right. A very popular day.
We could get them over there. $5.99. Maybe I'll have that.
There's Mavi, Peoples, the Eatery.
How about a dirt belly fresh salad? Oh my goodness. And poke bowls. And nice outdoor sitting.
What was that?
They have nice outdoor sitting.
Oh.
There's Columbia. There's hugs and churros and tacos.
A Japanese kitchen.
And how about a bacon and cheese hot dog? Only $11.59 plus tax.
Woof.
There's Old Navy.
And Adidas. Levé en rose. Avert your eyes, avert your eyes. Don't look inside there. Freshly squeezy.
North Face.
Line up for almost every place that we've seen so far.
There you go. You can buy me a diamond ring.
No, it's okay.
$1,000.
At Michael Hill.
I have room for it.
You have
I
room?
have room for one more diamond ring. See?
Oh my goodness. No more rings for Ma. Well, that's not true. She'll get more rings.
Designer warehouse.
Where are you going?
I'm just checking out Alicia.
Okay.
Jimmy Choo.
We got Roots over here. Starbucks.
Yes.
Tory Burch.
Coming up on all those shoes. So many fun places to visit.
So many places where you can spend all your money.
But really reasonable compared to main stores. Matt Nat. Looks like they have shoes and purses.
Oh,
Leather.
the wind is picking up. Probably can't hear you.
There you go, Jack and Jones. Oh, it is getting windy. Kate Spade.
Forts.
Nice big round area here. All kinds of stores. Nice big open courtyard.
Lacrosse. How do you say that? Lacrosse?
Which one? Oh, the Costa.
Okay, La Costa.
Brooks Brothers.
Oh, this is an interesting thing. Let's just take a look at this. So interesting. Ma's got to take a photo.
Not in the sunlight, huh?
You have to get the other side? Oh, she's going to the other side. Where are you going?
Get back there.
Am I in your way?
No, I just have to be able to fit it in.
There she is, taking a photo.
There we go.
Right, straight ahead, right underneath the
There's a mommy up there.
yeah. Head down this tiny little aisle here. Next to Brook Brothers.
Echo. There's Carter's and Oshkosh and David P.
Yeah.
And Lynn Chocolate.
Lynn Chocolate. Want to head into Lindette or Linda Chocolate? Or you want to walk by it? All right.
After that, after you get all the things.
All right, let's see if the play area is open.
I don't think so.
Oh, no, the play area is closed because of COVID. What's that?
It's a cute sign.
Yeah, but as you can see, it's gated off. In the back there's a play area. We just got run over by an airplane. Puma. Samsonite, Reebok. Rosinol, look at all these places, Mom. All at 60 to 70% off everywhere.
That's the lantern.
Look, Mickey Mouse.
What are you doing there, Mickey?
Blowout sale. Look, everything is gone.
Think kitchen.
Art. Watch station. You can buy some watches. The Mountain Warehouse. Ooh, interesting.
And swatch.
Yeah, right next to the watch.
And guess.
I don't want to guess.
No, it would be too expensive to guess.
Just tell me the price. I don't need the guess.
How about fossil?
Well, lots of them in Alberta, that's for sure.
Want to go buy a new body at the body shop?
Yep. You buy a Calvin Klein.
And there's a Tommy over there.
Can't hear you. You're too far away.
There's Tommy over there.
There's a Tommy. Yep. Guess what?
You're guessing again.
Yeah, we're guessing again. Avert your eyes. Do not look at that underwear. Do not look at. Avert your eyes. Robin's jean. Jean, what? Look at this.
We're back where we came in.
Yeah, this is the start. So, we'll take a close look at here. There's the QR code. You can zap on that. This is the, what's it called? Designer Outlet Mall. McArthur's, I think. McArthur's Designer Outlet Mall. Well, you click on that QR code and you tell me. Also, I'll put something up so you can see it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that quick walkabout. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like. And that's Ma. And that's Jimmy. 360 Jimmy.
In a day or week.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Look, she's taking off already. I said goodbye. She's gone. Bye.